Warm greetings from the team of Parivartan Cashew House, Parivartan Cashew Machinery. Now you can see the fully automatic cashew processing plant for the 4 metric ton raw cashew nuts per day, which is expandable up to 8 to 10 metric ton raw cashew nuts per day in 8 to 10 hours. Now we will start from the first processing step, that is the dust removal system. So this is the dust removal mechanism in which we will remove the dust from the raw cashew nuts. After removing of the dust from the raw cashew through the bucket elevator system, it will directly load in the cooker section. So this is the 500 kilo each cooker. It means 1000 kilo per batch cooker system is there. After getting the steam from the boiler, raw cashew will be cooked, and after having the cooking process, we have to dry the cooked raw cashew nuts for 18 to 24 hours. So after cooking process through the elevator system, it will load in the overnight drying storage tank for the drying of the cooked raw cashew. So this is the overnight drying storage tanks, and this is the control panel through which we will operate all the processing steps like cooker loading, overnight drying storage tank loading, cutting, scooping and everything. After 18 to 24 hours drying process of the cooked raw cashew, again through the elevator system, the cooked raw cashew will be loaded in the overhead raw cashew grader. So this is the overhead raw cashew grader. With the overhead raw cashew grader, we are attaching the platform to maintain raw cashew grader. After grading process of the cooked raw cashew, it will grade in the 4 parts, that is the A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4. After gradation process, the respective size of the cashew will be loaded automatically in the cutting section. So this is the 6 head horizontal cutting machines to cut the raw cashew. After cutting process, again through the elevator system, it will load in the scooping section to separate the cashew kernels from the shell. So this is the full scooping line for the 4 metric ton raw cashew nuts per day, which is expandable up to 8 to 10 metric ton. If we are talking in detail about the scooping section, so this is the first vibratory sieve where we will separate the completely cut and completely scooped cashew kernels. Then after, this is the second part of the scooping section. This is the shell blowing system where we will remove the shell from the uncut and unscooped. Then this is the secondary vibrator sieve where we will separate the scooped cashew kernels from the shell. After removal of the cashew kernels from the shell through the elevator system, again it will come on the inspection conveyor to do the inspection of the cashew kernels from the small particles of the cashew shell. So this is the fully automatic cashew processing line for the 4 metric ton raw cashew nuts per day, which is expandable up to 8 to 10 metric ton raw cashew nuts per day. Thank you. Thank you on behalf of the team of Parivartan Cashew. Thank you so much.